Hey guys, welcome to Foodcations. Today we are making a very simple yet super delicious dessert, that is caramel pudding, with just 3 ingredients. With this recipe, you will receive the desired texture, that is soft as well as firm to be cut into pieces. So let's check out the recipe. First, take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of water and stir it for about 5 minutes till the color changes, that is, the sugar caramelizes. Once it reaches the desired color, immediately you need to pour it into the vessel in which you will be setting the pudding. Next, take 2 cups of milk and in that add 3/4 cups of sugar. Boil it for around 10 minutes while continuously stirring it so that the milk thickens a bit, as this will help you in getting a good structure for the pudding. Let the milk cool down completely. Meanwhile, break 2 eggs and whisk them well. Then pour the milk which has cooled down now and mix it well. Next, take a strainer and we are going to pour this mixture over the caramel. Cover it completely with a foil and now steam this for 30 minutes. And let it cool down completely at room temperature, post which you can refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. Once it is refrigerated, scrape the sides, put a plate and invert it. Our caramel pudding is now ready. Be it kids or be it adults, everyone will love this recipe. Do try this recipe and let us know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.